and gentlemen, I'm your award-winning host, Bhavna Bhatia, and I welcome you all to this prestigious evening. We have India's #1 Brand Awards 2017 and India's Most Trusted Companies Awards 2017. We have some special guests for this evening as our chief guests. We've got Mr. Vijay Shivtare, Honorable Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs and Water Resources, Government of Maharashtra. We have Mr. Deepak Kesarkar, Honorable Minister of State for Home, Rural and Finance and Planning. And we also have Mr. Satinder Pal Singh Ahuja, Honorary Council of Georgia in Mumbai. So ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with the highlights of our last awards ceremonies. So your eyes on the screen, could we have the AV? Ladies and gentlemen, could we have a huge round of applause for all the brilliant highlights of our last awards ceremony. Up next, I'm going to be calling upon the man behind this brilliant concept. Let's put our hands together and invite Mr. Hemant Kaushik, Managing Director and CEO, IBC Infomedia, a division of International Brand Consulting Corporation, USA, to highlight on the selection process of the awards. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause.
Good evening. I welcome all of you on behalf of International Brand Consulting Corporation, USA. As you know, today we have India's #1 Brand Awards 2017 and India's Most Trusted Companies Awards 2017. And we have Mr. Vijay Shivtare, Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs and Water Resources from Government of Maharashtra. So, sir, we welcome you for our event. So, let's start about our survey. I will not take too much time. So, we have a time foundation and we have to finish the whole awards in next 2 hours. Welcome to India's #1 Brand Awards, India's Most Trusted Companies Awards 2017, event organized by IBC Infomedia, a division of International Brand Consulting Corporation, USA, event managed by Percept Demark. India's #1 Brand Awards 2017 is a recognized listing of India's famous, fastest growing brands that have played a significant role in the growth of Indian economy and have clearly unveiled themselves as the next set of game changers, serving through their various consumer-facing businesses. It's a unique recognition of the success and ingenuity of the fastest-growing brands across India and unique brands behind them. Selection criteria. India's #1 Brand Awards 2017 is a brand listing which represents the most credible, transparent, and differentiated standard of brand research. The selection has been conducted through rigorous research parameters involving primary as well as secondary research. The Observation Survey and Research for India's #1 Brand Awards 2017 was conducted by Media Research Group, MRG. The entire research platform was divided into various levels. A description of the process is provided in details on our website. Due to shortage of time, we will not go through it here. Final level. The final list of India's #1 Brand Awards 2017 was based on the cumulative scores received by the jury, editorial team, and consumers' votes received through surveys. 50% weightage was given to consumers' votes via survey. 25% weightage was given to the jury scoring. 25% weightage was given to the Media Research Group team evaluation. Analysis. The cumulative scoring of the Media Research Group team, jury members, and consumer votes was undertaken to finalize the winners of India's #1 Brand Awards 2017. The process advisors and evaluators for this study is CP Accounting Services, USA. It's a trademark that signifies pride of the companies and organizations, has been recognized to be the strongest and most powerful company in its respective category, is regarded as an image in the minds of consumers that includes associations about a high level of quality, value, rarity, extraordinariness. Selection, India's Most Trusted Companies Awards 2017. Selection criteria. India's Most Trusted Companies Awards 2017 is a brand listing which represents the most credible companies of India. Companies shortlisted based on the research could not necessarily be selected upon sales, turnover, profits of the company. Selection was based on overall market research, market share, innovation, workplace culture, leadership, business ethics, governance, corporate social responsibility, reputation, and other such factors of the company. Most important thing is that these companies have worked hard to achieve excellence. The research for India's Most Trusted Companies Awards was conducted by Media Research Group, MRG. The entire research platform was divided into various levels. A description of the process is provided in detail on our website. Final level. The final list of India's Most Trusted Companies Award 2017 was based on the cumulative scores reviewed by the jury and editorial team. 60% weightage was given to the jury scoring, 40% weightage was given to the Media Research Group team evaluation. Analysis. The cumulative scoring of the Media Research Group team and jury members was undertaken to finalize the winners of India's Most Trusted Companies Award 2017. The process advisors and evaluators for the study is CP Accounting Services, USA. About our company, IBC Infomedia. It's a division of International Brand Consulting Corporation, USA. IBC Infomedia is a company which has expertise in providing brand consulting to organizations who are interested in developing their brand value strategy. The strategies we create take our client's brand to a level where they have never been before. The expertise of IBC Infomedia is feasibility studies, brand research, auditing, competitive and peer analysis, brand positioning, portfolio strategy, brand architecture, brand workshops, brand strategy, brand naming, brand valuation, and customer segmentation. If you are interested in starting your company in USA or interested in expanding your business, IBC Infomedia Private Limited can help you via a single window platform from starting a company, attainment of licenses for business, marketing your products, and business establishment. MRG. MRG is a leading research agency specializing in strategic communication, advertising effectiveness, media, and brand equity research. It helps clients grow great brands through comprehensive research-based qualitative and quantitative solutions. MRG has a standing of 15 years in data surveys and research. And MRG is also India's largest political consulting company. And we have done so many political surveys for different parties in the last 15 years. IBC Infomedia Private Limited and International Brand Consulting Corporation are the principal executor, trademark owner, and the sole intellectual property owner of the activity of India's Most Trusted Brand Awards, India's Most Trusted Companies Awards, India's #1 Brand Awards, Asia's Most Trusted Brand Awards, Asia's #1 Brand Awards, Asia's Most Trusted Companies Awards, America's Most Trusted Companies Awards, World's #1 Brand Awards, and World's Most Trusted Companies Awards. Awards credibility and value. The achievement of the India's #1 Brand Awards and India's Most Trusted Companies Awards is a powerful way to build your brand and your company image. It aims at helping a brand stand out from an array of brands in the market. The award winners will be eligible to use the India's #1 Brand Awards and India's Most Trusted Companies Award logo on all printed and promotional materials till 23rd of September, means till next 1 year, which provides adequate evidence to all its customers and suppliers regarding the highest accolade acclaimed by the company or a brand. Usage of the logo enables building brand value and enhances customer satisfaction, which ultimately results in buying the brand. Upcoming events in the horizon. World's Most Trusted Brand Awards 2016 will be organized on 9th October 2017 at Royal Albert Palace, New Jersey, USA. India's Most Trusted Brand Award 2017 will be organized in January 2018 in Mumbai, India. Asia's Most Trusted Brand Awards 2017 and Asia's Most Trusted Companies Awards will be organized